Okay, Ixl level J, K.4. These problems are pretty simple, but I'll walk you through a couple just to make sure. Pam went to the store. She bought 1 pound of soybeans. How much did she spend? Very straightforward. And as often happens, we're given some information and then a lot of stuff we don't really need. We don't need to know anything about the other types of beans. And boy, this is easy, right? If she bought 1 pound and it costs $1.28 per pound, then she spent $1.28. Now, they're not always going to be that simple, but that's a good way to start for us right there. So we have someone going to the store again. This time it's Zach. Zach went to the store and bought 2 kilograms of plastic scrap and 3 kilograms of mixed paper. Dying to know what he's going to do with plastic scrap and mixed paper, but I guess we'll never find out. We don't use aluminum in this problem because he's not buying any of that, or cardboard. And we can eliminate the other ones that aren't relevant. Which other ones are not relevant in this case? That's right, newspaper, tin, and glass. So all we're really asked to figure out is he bought 2 kilograms of plastic scrap. So it's 79 cents per kilogram times 2. Well, if this were 80 cents, it'd be $1.60. But it's 1 penny less, so that's a total of 2 pennies less than $1.60, so that'd be $1.58. Now, of course, I could take my calculator here to confirm that. 0.79 times 2, 158. And then mixed paper, it looks like 3 kilograms of mixed paper, so that's times 3. Well, 50 cents times 3 is $1.50, and 3 cents times 3 is 9. So this is $1.59. We'll use the calculator to confirm that. It's always better to be sure, in case you made a mistake mentally. So 159 and 158. And so to figure out the total amount of money that he spent, I just have to add these two amounts together. Now, I'm not going to do it the old-fashioned way. What I'm going to realize is that $1.50 and $1.50 makes $3. And 9 cents and 8 cents make 17 cents. So that means that these two combined, $3.17. Now again, I've got a calculator, may as well use it. It's not wrong to double check. Carpenters are always told to measure twice and cut once, just to be sure. And sure enough, on the calculator I get that the answer really is $3.17. Okay, so we're buying cheese now. Bobby buys 3 pounds of feta, 4 pounds of brie, and 4 pounds of mozzarella. How much does he spend? So we're going to do some multiplication, and then we're going to do some addition at the end to combine the 3 prices. First question is, I'm buying 3 types of cheese, but there are 4 types listed. And the question I'd like to know is which of these cheeses or pieces of information are unnecessary? That's right, it's the Gouda. All right, so 3 pounds of feta. Well, let's see. $6.51 times 3. Well, $6 times 3 is 18. And 50 cents times 3 is $1.50. And 1 cent times 3 is 3 cents. So I've got 18 plus $1.50 plus 3. So 18 plus $1.50 is $19.50. And then 3 more cents makes $19.53. Now, check that on the calculator, of course. And that's correct. So mozzarella is times 4. And brie is times 4. Those are these two. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 quarters would make another $1. And then 4 times 3 cents on top of the quarters there would be another 12 cents. So $20 plus another $1 is 21 plus 12 cents. So that'd be $21.12. And I'm just doing the mental math, but of course we're going to check this on the calculator each time, make sure I didn't make some kind of a mistake there. That one works. And then lastly, 4 pounds of brie times 384. So that's $12 plus an additional $3.20. And let's see, 4 times 4 cents is 16 cents. These numbers are pretty easy to work with. We could add these up. I mean, the cents part over here isn't going to get me over $1, so I know I'm not going to have to, carry anything. So I can actually, in this case, just go left or right. 12 and 3 make 15. 20 cents and 16 cents makes 36 cents. So again, just to make sure you guys are clear on this, what I'm doing when I'm multiplying mentally this way is I'm multiplying this number on the outside here, the 3 and the 4 and the 4. I'm just multiplying first by the dollars, and then by the dimes, and then by the pennies. Right? 6 times 3, 18. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 50 is $1.50. 3 times 1. And just mentally combining them. It's really not that hard. But I can verify this one on the calculator again, and 4 times 384 is, yes, 1536. So now, in order to figure out how much money he spent altogether, all we have to do is just take these three numbers and add them together. So let's just do this the old-fashioned way here. 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 and 6 makes 11. So carry the 1 here. And then we've got 5, 6, 7, and 3 makes 10. Again, we're going to carry the 1 right there. 9, 10, 11, and 5 more makes 16. 16. And then 1, 1, and 2. These are actually 10s, like 10, 10, and 20 is 40, plus 1 more makes 50. So the total bill, according to this, will be $56.01. Again, I've got my calculator at hand, so I'm just going to double check. 19.53 plus $21.12 plus $15.36. 56.01 is correct. So that is that one. Last one. If Paula buys 2 pounds of pumpkin seeds and 4 pounds of sesame seeds, how much will she spend? Well, they're giving us a whole lot of information besides just the pumpkin seeds and the sesame seeds, so we can tell, but we don't really need anything except that, so let's just cross off the stuff we don't care about. All right, so all we need are pumpkin seeds, 2 pounds of those, and then 4 pounds of sesame seeds. So sesame seeds, that cost times 4. Pumpkin seeds, that cost times 2. Well, this is easy. We don't even have any pennies to worry about. 4 times 4 is $16. 2 times 2 is 4. And so the total amount, I'm going to get crazy here and not even verify that with my calculator. That's how confident I am that the answer is 20. Now in Ixl, if I made a mistake, I'd find out right away, but pretty sure that one works out just fine. So good luck with these. Pretty easy. Let me know if you get stuck.